Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to change the language on the Photomath app. This is especially useful if you prefer using the app in a language different from the default one. By the end of this video, you will know exactly. First, open the Photomath app on your device. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top left. Then, select the option labeled Language. After that, a list of available languages will appear. Choose your preferred language from this list. Finally, tap on the Done button to save your changes. Now the app will display all menus and instructions in the language you selected, making it easier to navigate and use Photomath effectively. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials.